How are you doing?
I'm also fine. What about you?
Yes, I'm doing great too. Thank you.
Okay. Okay.
So, I want to know a little bit about you. So, could you give your short introduction?
Okay, sure. My name is Mahima and I am from Yamunanagar, Haryana. I have completed my bachelor in commerce from Kurukshetra University. If I talk about my hobbies, to learn new skills, gather knowledge, and traveling, and also watching movie. I am very nervous to talk with you.
Oh, why are you so nervous? Because I am also not expert in this language, so you can talk like as a friend. So, no need to be nervous. Okay?
I don't know why I am nervous, but at that time I am very nervous. And
Okay, no problem. Take your time and you can speak slowly as well. No issue. Okay?
okay,
Okay, so would you like my introduction as well?
okay, sure, ma'am.
Okay, so as you know, my name is Tanuja and I'm from Bhopal city. If I'll talk about my education, so I have done engineering in IT branch and currently I'm a working
Okay,
professional in one of the software company and moreover I'm
okay,
running my YouTube. If I'll talk about my hobbies, so I love drawing, dancing and sometimes traveling. That's all about me.
okay, nice.
So you love traveling also, right?
Yeah, also.
So have you visited any different places?
No, I at that time I am not visit in anywhere.
Okay, so do you have any
Okay.
dream place that you want to visit first?
Yes, I want to go Dubai.
Dubai. Okay.
It's my favorite country.
Okay. So is there any special thing that you like most?
No, but I want to go here.
Okay.
Actually, ma'am, when I talk to everyone, my mind is stuck and no word is coming my mind. Or I know that words meaning vocabulary, but when I talk to in anyone, my mind is stuck. I'm also the tense rules. No, I'm also basic vocabulary, basic verb, but
Mhm.
I am facing that.
Yeah. First, I would say that it is happening because of lack of practice, and I think you have recently started, right? So
Yeah.
first, what you have to do, I would suggest that first recall every tenses rule again. Okay. And then
Okay.
try to make like daily sentences by your own. For example, whatever things you are doing like your whole day, so try to narrate this thing so that you can be able to use the proper tenses. For example, today whatever things you have done till now, try to practice or try to speak those things, so you will learn the vocabulary also, like yes, what we call these things in English, so you can try to find out and try to make the sentence also, and try to speak little slow so that your mind will get time to think like in which tenses you have to say. We are generally using tenses rule only, and some of the different words you can learn gradually by speaking only. So I had also learned and done the same thing. I had the idea of tenses and then I started speaking, and in the initial time I was also making mistakes because we are not habitual. So when you will practice daily and try to speak with yourself, this is the great method I can say, because I'm also doing this thing whenever I have free time. So I just try to talk by myself only, whatever things I am doing. So this is इस सेंटेंस को इंग्लिश में कैसे बनाऊंगी, so I try to find out those whenever I have free mind, so I try to do this thing. You can also do. So this is how you can practice, and once you will give some time like 15 days to 30 days, then you will be habitual of speaking, and then you will not feel any nervousness and any hesitation. Okay.
Actually, ma'am, I have practiced this language last 2 3 months, but there is no improvement myself. That's why I am frustrated about this language.
Okay.
Why I don't know what happened to me or why I did not learn this language. I don't know because I am full day
Mhm.
doing this learn this language. Sometime I watch podcast. I talk with the audio call from CV app.
Mm-hmm.
Now recently I am starting video call, and there is attend 2 3 session, but
Mm-hmm.
I don't.
Before that you were not speaking, so that's why you have learned, you are gaining the content also, but you are not utilizing. But now you started speaking, then you will automatically learn. As you told that you are learning for 3 months, but you were not speaking, I guess, as you told that
Yeah,
my second or third session. Okay, so once you will try to practice speaking, and I would suggest uh, you should, you should not watch podcast for now. You can try to listen some stories, like kids stories, because they make the sentence in the very easy manner. So you can on the subtitle also, and try to,
okay,
okay, and try just I would say that 3 to 4 minutes of videos only you have to listen, and try to pause the videos, and then see that how they are making the sentence, how they are linking the sentence, and this is how, try to imitate those sentences. These things you have to do it, because podcast is, they are using very advanced words, advanced vocabulary, so in the initial time it is quite difficult to understand. And once you are habitual of speaking simple English, then you can automatically move to advanced things also. Okay.
okay. Actually, my writing skills is very well from spoken, but when I speak, that mind is forget everything.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why. So how to improve this language?
Mm-hmm.
First of all, I watch kids conversation.
Yes, kids stories.
Kids,
What is the name? I think I will send you after this call as well. Okay, some
okay,
channels so you can listen stories, and yeah, this would be great because they use very simple English, and then try to imitate those sentences by your own. And once you have time, so make your day that at least one or two conversation in a day you have to maintain it for at least 1 month, and automatically you will see result in yourself. I was kind of same person as you. I was making the sentence, like I was translating the thing beforehand, and then I was saying. But now I'm habitual of speaking because I'm practicing it regularly. So practice is the only thing that you have to do it regularly, and the listening part. And if you have more time, so you can utilize in some other way, like reading and writing also. But most of the things I would suggest that listening and speaking you have to do it regularly. Okay.
okay, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay, so what is the thing you love most about yourself?
I think I am a punctual.
Hmm.
Uh, so that's why I am love from me.
Okay, so you love this quality of yourself, like you are very
Yeah.
punctual girl. Okay, so like, can you give any example?
Actually, ma'am, now that I am not I am not that to explain my uh, that things
Okay.
because firstly I am thinking in Hindi, then into translate English, then I speak. So there is a big challenges for me.
Okay, no issues. You can take your time. Okay, so I'm just narrating my my quality. Then you can try to speak by yours. Okay. For
Okay,
example, I love my quality punctuality, because I always feel that whenever I have given any task from my company, that yes, you have to complete it within time. So I try to finish that in time also. So I can say that I'm very punctual about my work. And for example, if somebody has given me time that you have to meet at 12 p.m., so I will definitely be there on 12 p.m. There is no late from my side. So this is how I can say that yes, I am a punctual girl and I love this quality. Okay.
okay.
Okay. So I'll ask you another question. Uh, do you have friends?
Actually, ma'am, I have no more friends. I have only 2 3 friends. All yeah, and I have only 2 3 friends or only girls.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
what do you like about themselves? Like, which quality that attract you? Like, yes, they are your friends. So, which quality you attract a lot?
Actually, when I joined college, there is a become my friends.
They become your friends. Yes.
Yeah. तो मैं आपको हिंदी में बोलूँ, आप मेरे को वो बताएंगे?
Hmm.
वो कॉलेज जैसे कॉलेज में ही बने थे तब से ही है, अदर उसके बाद नहीं।
Okay. So, उनकी क्या क्वालिटी तुम्हें अच्छी लगती है?
क्वालिटी एक्चुअली इतना कोई टच में नहीं है।
स्कूल फ्रेंड्स?
नो,
वो लोग भी टच में नहीं है?
नहीं।
Okay. Okay. Then you can't say these things. You can't give proper answer of this. Uh,
ओके,
yes, you can say that they became my friend in college.
दे बिकम माय,
Became. बने
दे
थे.
बिकेम।
हाँ, my friends in college time. In
ओके,
college time, you can say. And now they are not in touch with me.
नाउ दे आर इन टच विद मी।
Not in touch with me.
Not in touch with me।
Bec-
Okay, I have lot of question, but now at that time I forgot it. So how many months do you learn this language? Can you explain me?
Okay, so for me it is very long time I can say because I am speaking for last 1 year, more than 1 year you can say. But I'm not giving extra time for learning English language. As you told that you are practicing whole day, so I'm not doing this because of lack of time. Because I have to work for 8 to 9 hours, then I have to upload my videos also, so that's why. But as I told you earlier also, I try to make one conversation and listening practice. So I'm just doing these two things. And
Okay.
yeah, I cannot give you like proper time that yes, in 3 months or 4 months you can learn. It depends on person to person also. Like it took me like more than years to reach here, and some people can learn very easily or very fast also, because they are putting lot of their efforts for learning this language. So it depends, like how much practice you are doing, then only you can learn very fast, I guess.
Because now that time your spoken or your communication is very well and in advanced speaker, as like is advanced speaker.
Okay, so yeah, as I told you that it depends on your practice. So I have practiced a lot, so that's why I'm here. And you can also do, and you can become fluent also if you are giving at least 2 to 3 months. Uh, like daily, you have to practice. Make your schedule like yes, daily I have to speak for 20 to 25 minutes, and try to learn something new every day. Like any vocabulary word, not more than 2 or 3 words. Just try to learn 2 words, few new words daily. So this is how you can improve your communication very fast.
Actually nowadays I am full day of learn this language because I am going to I will go to interview for MNC's company, so that's why.
Hmm. So for that you have to practice a lot, because your communication should good. Then only they will hire you, because in MNC company you have to interact with so many people. They are living in different countries, different states. In my case also, I'm working in IT company, so I have to talk in English language only. So this is necessary. So
Okay,
for an interview also you have to crack in English language.
English.
Yes, so you have to practice. But I would suggest you that you are making a lot of mistakes in your, tenses part. So first, recall every tenses, or
Okay,
if I'll get any other date like time, so I will let you recall everything again. Okay.
okay,
So in Hindi, so that you can be able to understand it properly. Okay. So yes, I would suggest that first recall every tenses again, then try to speak those sentences. And every time you have to keep in your mind that in which tenses you are trying to explain your thoughts. For example, if somebody will ask me like, tell me about any past memories, okay, my childhood memories. So these things I have to explain everything in past tense only because it already happened. So every time you have to keep remember that we generally use past tense helping verb like had, did, and the second form of the main verb if you are making the simple sentence. So these three things you have to keep in your mind. So whenever you will deliver your thoughts, so try to make the sentence in that helping verb using that helping verb only. Okay. So gradually you will learn, but first recall every tenses again. These things you have to do it first. Then try to
Okay.
make them. Okay.
Okay.
And if you are facing any challenges, so you can ask me. I'll help you out. Okay. Or we can make another session for tenses only. Is it okay?
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. I will explain you in the easy way so that you can understand it. Okay.
Okay.
Any other question you want to ask, or shall we wrap up this call?
Actually, uh, in future, I will also connect with you when I got the intermediate level. So I will connect with you.
Sure, sure. You
Okay.
can message me if I'll be free, so I can connect with you. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you for.
Keep practicing daily. So yes.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity
So much to you.
and valuable time.
Yeah, it's my pleasure. Thank you. Bye
Okay.
bye.